Hi everybody, Mark Wild, CEO Crossrail here. Pleased to give you another update as we close in on the opening of the Elizabeth line. Since my last update, we've had a very productive time. We've just completed the final mass volunteer exercises, part of our extensive trial operations, the final phase before we open the Elizabeth line. What we're up to at the moment is completing the very final safety assurance documentation that of course has taken many years to complete, and we're in the last few days and weeks of that now. We've also been working at Bond Street Station, where we will be ready to include Bond Street as an evacuation route when we open the Elizabeth line, but we won't be ready to open the actual station. We're making great progress though, and we expect Bond Street to open shortly after the opening of the Elizabeth line, most likely in the autumn of this year. Of course, as the project completes its work, there are many things to do to get the railway ready to accept customers. We will open the Elizabeth line in the first half of 2022, but it's important that our many hundreds of operating staff, maintenance teams, get ready to receive customers to provide the service that we all will be proud of. I'm going to hand over to Howard Smith, the Chief Operating Officer of the Elizabeth line, and he's going to describe these final steps, these important steps to getting the railway open.
So I'm delighted to be here with Mark at Paddington today. Downstairs, we're running a 5-minute frequency service as part of the last few days of our trial operations. We've had the big exercises between 350 people and 2,000 people involved. After trial operations are complete, we're going to go into a brief period of just running the timetable, those final days and weeks, just to make sure that everybody involved with operating the service is truly match fit. Then when we open the central section, that will be a 5-minute frequency, 12 trains an hour, between Paddington and Abbey Wood. That's exciting, but later in the year, we'll be bringing in trains from both the east and the west and increasing the frequency in the central part of the railway. So lots ahead this year. I'm delighted that Mark's symbolically handing over to me, and I look forward to speaking to you again in the future.